Father wishes a Peter, hoping for the arms of Meter, get to me sooner or later. I'll keep holding on, I'll keep holding on, I'll keep holding on. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with you with another hopefully interesting lesson for you. This one's from Simply Red, called Holding Back the Years, and the lesson's based on an unplugged version featuring Mick Hucknall on his own with an acoustic guitar. Okay, so this is how he plays it on his own. But the only difference is I'm in standard tuning, no capos, as you can see. Mick Hucknall was his version, his guitar's tuned down a whole step. Okay, so if you want to play along with Mick Hucknall's version, you'll have to detune your guitar from standard a whole step. Okay, so as most of you will probably have your guitars in standard tuning, rather than get everybody to detune the guitars, I've kept it in standard. Okay, so just to repeat myself, if you want to play along with Mick Hucknall or Simply Red, from standard tuning, detune whole step and play everything I'm about to show you, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so the introduction is E minor to A. Okay, straightforward E minor to A. And it's repeated twice. Okay, E minor to A, E minor to A, and on the second time you play the A twice as long and you build it up. So you start off the second time round by just playing it very gently, and then hit into it a little bit harder each time, build it up, crescendo, and then you go into the verse, which is an E minor ninth and A. Okay, so the intro and the actual chorus is E minor to A, and the verses are E minor ninth to A. Okay, E minor ninth, second finger, second fret of the A string, the fifth string, and I'm playing my third finger on the second fret of the top E string. All the other strings are open, whole 6 strings, and then to an A chord, straightforward A chord. Okay, and that's the verse. Okay, so let's just do the intro and the first verse. There is an occasional, in certain lines of the verse, you'll stay on the A a bit longer like you do on the intro and build it up a little bit. Okay, you'll see that as it comes along. Okay, so here we go. Years, thinking of the fear I've had so long. When somebody hears, listen to the fear that's gone. Build up on the A. Strangled by the wishes of Peter, hoping for the arms of Meter, get to the sooner or later. Build up on the A, E minor and A chorus. I'll keep hanging on, I'll keep holding on, I'll keep holding on, I'll keep holding on. Stay on the A, build up, so tight, E minor to A. Build up on the A. Next verse. Da, 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 and so on. And that's it, boys and girls. There's nothing else in it, okay? The chorus is, I said, is E minor to A, but if you like the sound of the E minor ninth instead, use the E minor ninth. I think Mick Hucknall is actually just playing E minor to A on the chorus, but I quite like using the E minor ninth to A. Sorry. I'll keep holding on. I'll keep holding on. I'll keep holding on. And so on. I think, but on the actual, what I saw of him playing it, it was just E minor to A, but choice is yours. Anyway, thanks for that, and hope that helped you play that song, if you wanted to play it, of course, and I'll see you in my next lesson.